buy anything crowd. I need a breast.
No, you tell them to. No, you tell them
Don't envy if you blow with the blow. Push it me and blow with the blow.
The question is paid for. Do you profit to tarnish your border?
Don't envy if you blow with the blow. Push it me and blow with the blow.
Alright, it's another great day and we are here on Hytvgh. I'm your finest MC for you and I'm about to gist you with a social media trend. As you know, it's all about the exclusive show and I have here with me one numerous gentleman who has been away for long, but today we have him here in the studio. Chairman, you are welcome to the show. What's up?
I do, bro.
I
don't show up.
Why dope?
Maybe more do.
Share. Why dope? Why dope? Oh, Skabe, Nana. You see how the Yagusuka crack, I'm sure things will catch up soon. Charlie, maybe I'll call you.
I'll call. But system now, I think I can. But the people,
okay. A bit fat. And then, Nyama brain, a chegua be fontaine times in the Babe Sumu. It's actually for my crowd, the NES Kajangum. Then the echo by and he say, say, Yanka say, Niaba, Casablanca. Yeah, you can't Casablanca. Or your baby are Nuchayi. Yes, Nuchanka Sankasa. Now, or one of the influencers on social media. Now, say, we can know on a yes, sister delay. Yanka say, Mammy delay. I have a program B, that is the delay show, or interviewing one or two vibe be concerning the new looks now. Now the young share video number nearby, near Pensem.
The life goes on.
Because yes, says you don't want to see me.
It's requires Nanka Uya and woman who is a sen and Kobe.
Ah, my name is well because me and the last hope.
What I do want to chairman.
Me and Casa Mitiae.
Sikaben Okufas Canoes because we made Malaysia.
Yeah, because me this campo. But before, my back now football team.
Okay.
My says can before my took my atomic and Fabia I am me a dying what 25 and son of call. Before my banana deal with liberty be quiet. So
almost all players.
Yes, so
and now this kind of quiet. The life goes on. Because
yes, says you don't want to see me.
It requires Nanka Uya and woman who is a sen and Kobe.
Ah, my name is well because me and the last hope.
What I do want to chairman.
Me and Casa Mitiae.
Sikaben Okufas Canoes because we made Malaysia.
Yeah, because me this campo. But before, my back now football team.
Okay.
My says can before my took my atomic and Fabia I am me a dying what 25 and son of call. So before my banana deal with liberty be quiet. So
almost all players.
Yes, so
and now this kind of quiet.
Okay, so now the Yemiaba Casablanca no. Now me man concerning the new looks no. Kisa new looks. You know. That was last year November, and Turkey. Say rehabilitation or say renovation of the body. I can't really tell. Now, Oko Chin Yefun Eko ne tun. No, omo ye sack no ma. Etuna ebia bem. Intiminia. To you, what's your take on this thing?
You know something? This I'm shocked. So I comment to make it say, she wanted to make the body look good for the family.
Yeah.
That means Opache say family no exercising the body now. That family no any well pleased with the body.
that is what we are yet to find out.
Because Yakupon album.
Sure.
Umame awo. And Yakupon na ball. Umame accept to say yes, this is what you have. And me, I don't know. Minister Menkan, but our partner said the family no were not pleased with the body. I know why they said money ajo body no.
Well, you know, also Siano, Ghana man or Mabano. Yes, so per se Ujidi. Now unya fame no. Na influencers embra border. It means say we need to no crap power so force na unya to.
Oh, me per se de me as Ghana pandits another as a human being no. I mean say body shape and body factor no e can brand no. E can celebrity lifestyle. But so because say well humanity na wo koye somebody a therapy now. I don't have any problem with it. But what can you say? Say for your family, it's not quite body therapy now. I want to mama doing here then. Me feel some way because family no, only being the family no, any jail body now. Why no? I best shock me because family no money pa. Baba can you say oh, where Juma now we no? Juma na mouse like here say a man we say body therapy now. I understand. Maybe as a celebrity, no, as a celebrity now, you are endowed. What as so we are endowed, a man, you go from fellow brand, no, and do quite body therapy now. We don't have any problem with it.
Okay.
What as but I say, because the family, no, who quite pleasing family now, I don't get it. And so umbra back, no more explaining.
And you know, I believe, sir, you have to be pleased with whatever the Lord God Almighty has given to you. Anyway, so sorry, Prekopena now, Oko change your body type. Anyway, so Oko change your body type. The most important thing in the is you have to be what focused. But I believe, sir, without going to reform your body again, no, it doesn't prevent you from getting ambassadorial signings.
Oh, bro, me dear, on the celebrity lifestyle. You know, make it celebrity lifestyle. No, about branding.
Yeah.
But na body no so ka branding no.
Sure.
Maybe call for a year a cousin. Ambassador deals be an say some ibi obi o mo person body na kese. Onye di pakese tell me. What is it? Obi o slim body. What is it? And to who now who is celebrity? Some who look it that slim more that branding no. You bab. Obi won so person body near there and you big.
Sure.
Because Jimmy now body near there. And the branding no. But about to because them say, "O family no na any
You
please."
just wanted to look good for your family.
And I be shock me. Say, what I say? It's all about no me explaining chair back because I don't understand.
Even with this, no, we have the positive and we have the negative side.
Sure.
I think the positive side now we're hitting on kakra based on say open signings ni bia we are say particular brand no omo here say body type good. But the negative side no so no.
The negative side here, one, we don't push a fidie no. If you did two things, either positive and negative. What I say, if you have a message, as a human being, who drink and what drink, the right way and what drink the wrong way. What I say, and do quite now, when you side effect, who is to be blamed? What I say, and the say, Michael Jackson say, okay, Visa,
Yeah.
That was what led to his death. What I say, and it's a also who quite drink. This is the consequences, and this is the side effect. Because we need so and who to also menya. But I say, but one stress up negative side now, correct just positive side now. It can worry. So me, I will advise our people, our celebrities, and our young ladies coming up. Say, omo koye sabi bisa na omo dream two. Either say the positive side and the negative side, or ebeboano, and now say all koye na den who to also the ebeboano because. Who looking fine now we doing so who looking fine problems are there
but then I don't believe say this beauty that we are all filing for and us all looking for no is going to be there forever.
No,
because the moment you clock 50 years no now I feel started before
only my dear woman a man say no a man quite a body a man quite a body or stages body all kind of fresh now looking neat looking fresh. Odi to kakra na abebre ebre kakra na ekofo na etuntum obewie nkwa na ipeche na ahye na asey sa na ma na tie enti se be ma obetuma nyi se de nkwa na be ma ogina so ba mano omutimi omunyi ntem and almost omutimi eko from ntem and the man is particular na mano be man dey gym kwari I no we what as be man wu nya so be call therapy and akwa ye any surgery be man ko gym bi na man body muscles ni bad no also na be so man body ni ko from temia why ba say who ko chef fidie and onye very advice
another negative effect no so say ubetimewu
yes
anytime because according to Kesa or say omo ye cartons bi omo ye CS e won na ya say na omo betwitwa na chia no baby na omo twetwe sacks no
see all this thing
and uye wi before betimi aye okay no I was say what na me say 3 hours that be 3 weeks and no down flat ubebutu o I say pepe ni obutu o ya sorry
see all this stress
nti efutu be na be ma ye nua no man
mefuto dem na mawie ade ameka say omu entwomu free and body no just accept yourself what I say johudi love yourself the nyakupo the amount and none of the amount usu we are slim we are honuku that's what God has given to you just live with it exercise there you be anything like many exercise you can do exercise but men ko therapy and not surgery you know and it's very necessary what I say you dey celebrate this year e be body baby and a man and man my hwe e wonso ye na in living with ourselves na they want to accept that.
Okay. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that was Obuo by the pundits. What did I say? This man, he's enthused when it comes to entertainment, human life. What, in fact, I don't even know the word to use to describe this personality that we have here in the studio. Charlie, this guy is one great guy. You guys have to look up to him. You have to look up to him. So let's move on to the next story. The next story is, in fact, you come straight to Dubai. Now they come here more Dubai and say, Omo government came out to speak on 1 or 2 reasons. Some special reasons. Or say, we are disappointed. Ghana did not pay anything for. We are disappointed. Ghana did not pay anything for Burj Khalifa flag display. Dubai government speaks. Now the Eco PMO so extremely different altogether because the footages right afterwards no then we discuss.
This was supposed to be part of the promotion of a country, but in this case there was nothing have been paid for this gesture. It's a gesture that we thank the government of UAE. We thank His Excellency Mohammed Al-Abbar, the chairman of I'mar. So it is about the relationship with Ghana, not about money.
But I know to place an advert on the Burj Khalifa, it costs that amount, but that's 3.5 minutes.
The whole thing was 1 minute. So that proves to you that this is nonsense. Second thing, there is you can go publicly and find out this price. But the requirements from this was supposed to be part of the promotion of a country. But in this case, there was nothing have been paid for this gesture. It's a gesture that we thank the government of UAE. We thank His Excellency Mohammed Al-Abbar, the chairman of I'mar. So it is about the relationship with Ghana, not about money.
But I know to place an advert on the Burj Khalifa, it costs that amount, but that's 3.5 minutes.
The whole thing was 1 minute. So that proves to you that this is nonsense. Second thing, there is you can go publicly and find out this price. But the requirements from
the governor of Dubai actually came to say, now Minya Bema, I think it was a false accusation, right?
I was like Ghana, you joke a lot. Ghana,
Yeah.
only the because Ghana, no. If you be propaganda, politics,
Exactly,
propaganda,
exactly.
politics. Adia esi, adia na very critical.
Yeah.
He here say ye members will be free Ukraine. Or say back to our country. na Dubai for it ma boy said ye almost say omu minister men put no omu ye people no free Ukraine but I say show some flag
yeah
well so show some flag na Emma Russia for the air attack here you bow and then no be na Dubai for ye my
okay
omu ye my na my ye people in back country no save no the other is a party no only government other than that they say Ghana government e go try that amount some big amount you raise that flag which was not true and the man Dubai for government abe reply say what they are very disappointed say I don't know we here for like wholeheartedly omo Ghanaians you are like you are done and you know kase omo discuss see all these things do next time you more meka
I don't think so I don't really
think so. Ghana there's
because Okrana you decide any do you feel bad to the extent say you tell the public entire public Twitter that on the entire public say oh my extorted amount of money from them before omutimi aire ama Ghanaians no every Ukraine about joining more Dubai and probably be brought back to Ghana. I don't think opposition should be doing that.
See Ghana, it's high time we take something serious.
Sure.
The Ghana be like as jokes like propaganda. Ghana is there before parties.
Of course.
Ghana buy as an party siba. And the end of Ghana as an party you don't like any different parties. See, when they be politics are emwa. If the Ghana say it's serious, what I say, Ninja sa propaganda and sa unnecessary comments they making. Ebema other countries no more outside. No we say we are jokers. Well, almost say we are jokers. Because a very critical issue. You have people are only a back country. No one boy no na yet country me joking without issues there. Discuss. It's only Ghana and players kwa kubobwane kakuti amount to be given. How?
This is serious. Okay, so like I said earlier, this man is very was so jano the about was so ankasa no me and the girlfriend not disappointed. This guy is too hot for the show. Why too hot for the show today? So we are moving on to the next story. We are still on the latest trend, the social trend. We program we on. Ebi ni channel bi aso. Though your entertainment, but we are the exclusive show. One of the best shows are, in fact, say what they call Grammys Awards are. You better Grammys Nina. Why they are say watch out the exclusives. Bad. In fact, program me omo mobile mate me the program me Bremo. Hytvgh Estate Limited, a dime papa fee, and open Sasi and a boy Indian, and one Hytvgh Estate Limited. Come share no omumbo ni nyasa, and also do one a few. To say the names made him want me kita bikis, no idea say. Into Bomadi and also bra, ni enjoy our too. No chine do fear and your kai soloquada, Sophia, Betuaren may say. And I dare toss you a mirror fear, yes, Sarabov Hotel. Sarabov Hotel, weekend no. So pe bi adwodwo ho a eno ani Sarabov Hotel say event na opese hold here eno ani Sarabov Hotel eduane poolside opese o relax body na eno ani Sarabov Hotel omo eye kaso yin no American Junction pen aje ase American Junction pen omo signboard wo no e be locate to omo place wo no kona kokko dwodwo ho ma me na o dwodwo ho na o hia mokru o from MCI kana mama wo more piafo Samson Hytvgh mineral water and Adam's clothing. Big ups Adam's clothing. I'm gonna share my talia. What's a dripping a coso. What do I say? So let's just move on to the next story for the day. The next story for the day, no aqua story via. I think my pandits bebuami near pinsing because this story is very important to me. Or people want to say, oh, it's fun. Because social media is very fun there, but very important. Okay, so this story is this way. Bride write exams on wedding day. Bride, I froba Saturday or your wedding. Sa now exam straw. And then wedding gown. echo examination hall ko try exams whilst ani kunu gina bonten e twen no minia ya ko hwem foni ni mbra na ye ba na ye pensen sim no mu That's right. We are back again right here. Minia, ya ko hear video no. Bride writing exams on her wedding day while the husband waits for her outside.
Wait. Minia, I didn't mean that. Men can. Because I did two things.
Two things involved.
I call positive side
and I want negative side.
The mama positive side.
Okay, you positive no.
Positive side no.
Yeah.
But emo ese ma be man. Because be man na enya akoma pa. What they say oba o honkafo bi na o ya de na o support with your heart. Mu subsidy. And the oba man wa ya de pa we tima support ni ire no. Ne ka we kwa nya na ire.
No wife.
Wife to be. The wife to be. What I say wa supporting no. Why are they? So Timmy leading on or son and I call exam or culture exams. Why are they? And like the lady to say born a basu. Obi and go back as their own choice. Of course, because of a wedding. And then I am my power brabo. The power brabo say, Omania Bema and the same way I crowd Bebuano. When you bear money be, Bema see you good or support you. And then I made exams here. Why I say, Baobana facade and opportunity. She was determined. Why John said no, because Warrior school here and for so, and the make culture me exams, no. What I say, and you know, or take it that she was determined to write the exam. I don't take it that bold step. I don't call it. But two, they are going to get inside now. School bell, no, school bell.
You see distance. Ghana University, yeah, you are. On bet my panel, but you see, Kai.
Because me they say na school be abed and wedding day virtual exams. That be wedding day virtual exams. Now to me permit you be or culture or quiet and wedding. Ebe virtual exams they are now practicing.
Oh, where me who say lecturer now or conducting exams no. And I say IA lecture chrono or conducting lecture ni 3 year din pa. Nitrimu na edin because one it's either say obetro and I be my reference.
Yes, because one that day no what place day. And the exam to go try na nko ya mu da sesa
kra.
E dey be ho.
That's the negative side.
Oh, even questions be wo trimu a wo dey ko na question go try na questions no nya sa question na.
I get we wrong. As ukwa kwetena watwene wadwen your wedding.
Obey no pass.
Obey no pass the exams nipo.
Because a man the omani wedding.
At least the lecturer in charge should have considered this girl.
Now maybe blame your banner. So maybe your banner make lecturer na aware say and then wedding day.
Well, one thing so they say distance for no and a particular unit pay. to say Obaka Swasi a distance no more a man from. The same distance school ni bi so Accra Academy. The same distance ni so bi wo other places on Muntimi conduct say for 1 day. That means mu nyina mo tro 1 day. But uko to say bia institution meet say GIG Legon. Some departments and answer that particular class mo tro IA na mo 20 class in bit my post. That is if say waka ko hu class rep no so be process o documents e dey akoma lecture no. Na lecture na reschedule dates na mamo. And now say better still. Ye be ma o ma tro. O tro wie na o ye o wedding na o ba. Na on ko ya ma ko tro paper na lecture no office.
This thing like I wish say ke benya lead no number. Na ke afre no. Na go no achichiri ma chere.
Sure.
Because one, two things, and I don't know two things. Either say lecture no, and they play wicked. And that's how no, I'm making a lecture now where say, nay, birthday. Everything baby, sorry. The wedding day.
Yeah.
What I say? Yeah. Because there's no lecture in the 3 months, they say, to say the wedding, the more exams.
Yeah.
Hey.
But me, the maker say, Obano, why are they? Very big kudos to the lady. Or they, Abuba Bako Kunuma, you know, at a go. Or pass it, Debbie, who got there, or the Abu, or pass it, yeah, why are they? Oh, pass it, because your greatest wish say passing. Because if she was determined, every couple no a science student. Science for no, or more my dream.
Science student be no be ready at choice of daddy.
But we have
some general students.
Or more book long. Or that we want me a brofo.
Or brofo.
Or general
Oh
yeah, science. Science no your school. Or medicine. Okay, so let's move on to the next story. The next story, no, say ya niaba. Sorry, Sakodie. Obey the pombede.
Huh?
Two my niggas on the block here. This guy, he's on point when it comes to dripping. He's one in town. Your band rap music, he's on point, lyrically inclined. Then what words are you going to use for Obede? In fact, my grandfather is called Sakodie.
Yes.
What I say? So anytime I come by this name, I feel myself like, yeah. Oh, Obede family, yeah, we are here. Into our areas now within this Sakodie. In fact, why you're our brabo, why I say? You have to be part of the Obede family. You have to be part of the Obede family.
Macho, my man also Sakodie any deal.
A brand name, one year here. I mean, he's a very Michael Owusu.
Or the say Michael Owusu
Ado, and another count, any I say. Okay, so Sakodie, early in the day paid a visit to Oxford University. The last time I was called Cambridge, right?
Yeah.
This time around, no, Oxford University, I was US and UK. Ato omonsa e frɛ no e ma onye omko have a talk into we dey yankoni hwɛ the way a presentation e kɔ ye ba na afei one of the biggest fan number 1
adeye
e kaso ha nyina obe the fan ba ko pɛ on the tiano
I'm the best MC.
Then we come and then discuss
from the get to
producer I crowd fatu na ahwɛfo enhwɛ ma me why.
Two guests here, distinguished guests, I'm introducing Nita, and we are going to talk about the new age of creative arts in Africa. So currently, the African continent, 60% of the population are under 25 years. Two guests here, distinguished guests, and we are going to talk about the new age of creative arts in Africa. So currently, the African continent, 60% of the population are under 25 years.
You don't envy if you blow with the blow. If you blow with the blow.
Okay. Yeah. In fact, me who be say ana me ni age. I feel so perplexed. I feel happy whenever I see Ghanaian going up. Like your big artists no omo kosru say ana me de. The last time no it was the same Obede Okopiem Cambridge University. And also Okomo talk. And this time round he has been called again to the Oxford University. That's the biggest university I want area simhaina. Na Obede akwako pemo. It's so amazing. Minia, since I hear Obede biggest fan no. I mean, seeing this no, how do you feel?
The excitement on my face says it all.
Great.
What me be a Obede air coin na like
Sure.
Obede no brand name very solid. I created some brand on its own. On own castle, but actions talks on its own.
Action speaks louder than words.
What I say?
Yeah.
He or yeah, na like the actions of no ever can be actually. And the Obede the brand no wa creative bibi ama no ama standard no. I don't think there is any artist in Ghana or some standard no. But I say we are all praying say the young ones now mobile no. I'm looking up to that man and also other big acts. What I say no, almost that standard no. Because if you are there now, watch your system now needs a brand now. A bed they say, be consistent. What I say because you have to get that brand. What I say to be able to go far. Obedi came into the game almost 15 years ago. What I say, and he's still in the game, like a young artist. But I say, and no more in like I said, 1 year be that. Why you came on Bogusu, yeah, that things. And can we make a black sheriff moon and say Jamon, Kid the moon say Jamon for sure. A Kwame Ujimun say Jamon, but Obedi no Gusu, yes, Aramano. That means he is not ready to quit. What I say, or hard work now or put it in. Because you can or miss or put or ye be or
of course. So Obedi Nko you came back was out.
David.
At least the fact say Wakoko PMO UK it doesn't mean say Obedi back home without bringing anything. By now Krapo no move you seeing some music be doing some collaborations.
Or ye link ups.
I just see it. So we hope and pray say Obedi. I mean he like what starting on Yankopon pushing his hand on Fanko Drew because wa ma Ghana akoda map no so. Yes, wa push Ghana, ama Ghana.
But I do know what. Okay, then I'll make my comment later.
Yeah, so I believe that what he's doing, he has to keep doing. We love him, Obedi. Charlie, wherever you are, big time. Yeah, one time for them, man, yo. Hey, but Charlie, I know also Obedi freestyle.
Hey, and then
one freestyle. Okay. Producer say, oh, you have freestyle.
Okay.
Hey, of course.
How
about
20k? Maybe first time will come and say, na me need. And then cash about to move family.
Sure.
Sorry, my like. I'm a way to Grammy. I put the good Bianca Moon push Bulgari. Me, I think it's funny because I keep on making money.
That's right.
Feed up on the blessed reflected. That's what you know.
One time.
We
go. You make her feel. You know, this is why you're Obedi number one fan. I believe say, and you're back up and I'll beat me here.
Hey, well,
because I know Obedi stories near you. Obedi stories near you. Whatever back up, that's fine. Rolling your cigar now.
Oh, David.
And a puchala.
Charlie. Oh, they off camera.
Oh, there be a chef for Mr. Obedi who say yes. We are the biggest fan.
First of all, Obedo is a yard.
Oh my God.
They call like off camera, maybe.
Okay, so I have before you have a phone show. Obeto obedi ne nyum ba kwa ma nyina mama feel what you
be jaw program so ba.
Wow. In fact, I'm super excited this very afternoon. Say that nyoma economy ni Japan. In fact, all right. So, I mean, there are more to this. I'm trying to call Instagram. Let me check it 1 or 2 stuff view on now. I'm say video be popping up. Them say, yenya kwesiata. Yeah, and then the story about may hear some flash in be. Kwesiata no am so live video be now. Obede ko mu kra video no mu. Cause my brother, when are you releasing a new song?
Kwesiata no, ye chin wa be guanu. Abo, so they want me pa kwara samo, ye isa ko the free wa na me pera samo. They want pa kwara samo no tron no like all delay no. Me ye chin Ghana for ya prepare say ye chin na.
Yes, because the fans are hungry for him.
Like they hear the nyum. Okaje so be release abo na sakwada kwa anya na so be release abo. Sakwada release ma ye ko 1 year. Ki promise mu be release abo de, ki dey release ne de. O must tell him release abo de.
What is preventing that boy?
Me ya sure say features be original. And features in your mind. And on put it in right away and until on mind. But yes still we are can. But they be a baby shadow baby a be guano. On 423.
Well, when the SDK quiet no.
I ain't the ground. Hey, when you shout it, blast or blasted one. Let them say, I like, me say, me can't come, me chico sat on, I'm the carabono.
Number IGP, me batch over there.
When you report to.
Number is a cabo,
IGP, not the IGP, Dominica, right?
Majo me number me say no ne kana man why me say no ne kana man. Okay, so what master abro say ne
me kana mo na Morano and ko am papa ji
Morano Mr. Sakwadi
wa je ne ka
wa je kinu oh ya asemo. Okay, so let's move on to the next story for the day. Ne abe pie mu no we Shatamichi ne abekasa 5. Na asema Shatamichi bekai no I mean maintenance na me dream one it bust my brain
go bust am
bust my brain and I can't handle this thing alone. I said Shatawale into bracket 10 why I said a sweet he digmatized me for 8 years said by Shatamichi. Na de minuaba no epese o kire no ye di mu nchire mu beba na before ye di nchire mu beba na ye beka kohwe video no ye hwe video no wi a since obo ba wa ha say nko ade stigmatization no obebubu mu ama be obi ti fi on stigmatization ase ene ebebubu mu nyina ai se koto apre ubu anu anu adwan no wi ana ide worry nti ye nko ne nko hwe video no bra.
You don't envy if you blow with the blow. You see I mean blow with the blow.
Remember. Nah. Hasn't got teeth. No. Because when I see the man, I mean, I'm an artist myself, so there's certain things that you can and cannot say. But when I imagine our man, Mr. Wale, I can imagine the thing to have teeth. Like, and
it looks that scary.
And yeah, and the lips is like huge. And a bit like maybe it has some herpes on the top as well.
Gosh.
Space.
I remember.
Nah. Hasn't got teeth.
No.
Because when I see the man, I mean, I'm an artist myself, so there's certain things that you can and cannot say. But when I imagine our man, Mr. Wale, I can imagine the thing to have teeth. Like, and
it looks that scary.
And yeah, and the lips is like huge. and a bit like maybe have
If you blow with the blow, if you blow with the blow.
The question is paid for. What do you profit to tarnish your border? Na kwaku free body assemble. Killer man the assemble.
The exclusive show with your man MCI, the MCs upon MCs, the MCs president. No idea as there. Still your finest MCI for you. Send me kind of abua form of boy mate me de ejumede Abraham ya Hytvgh Estate Limited. And now Hytvgh mineral water. Hytvgh mineral water. Adams clothing. It will share atade e hye me am dripping air cost to dia na efree Adams clothing. And now pass as a papa so there and one Hytvgh Estate Limited. As I say papa fee. Say the name so my dem who am me key to my room no, to my house no. That means I'm also what? A land owner now. As I say, it's Bomodiana Chibeomo. I'm not sure what Kasua, getting closer to Kasua Tobu to know. Maybe area be where friend Kalabule Junction, Hona, Star Oil Filling Station, Nature Pay, or Honor Mashe, Ewo. Kona also called you as a CDB. Now also that should be a Fira. Samson may come, may come for Sarabo Hotel, so I'm out. We can now open so relax body now. And one is Sarabo Hotel. More spacious grounds, event grounds. And prices are very affordable. The pool will hold my bit my day. I relax all the off Biaka have a good time or what is there. Weekends it's all about having good time. So open maybe I relax and one is Sarabo Hotel. Almost share Kaswanian Road, American Junction pay. Honor almost share. Obaba. Mr. Ma kwa babio. Now yakore Michi in the story no. First of all, you find the meaning of stigmatization.
Where no can you
digmatized. Two words.
Dick. And I'm matized as I
yes.
Dick na such a thing.
Oh,
But your life doesn't life. Dick, no. I mean, I don't get what Shatamichi is saying.
Yeah.
But Pache say, I think, maybe I was saying, Shatawale's thing is very sweet. And also,
I'm just sausage now.
Sausage.
What's that? And bolo. Oh.
Be fair to the like you have to be fair to the audience.
Okay, so this is what Shatamichi was trying to say. Was saying the sexual organ. How do I say? Shatawale in the sexual organ, no, sweet hair.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm not getting you.
It's what digmatizing her for the past 8 years now.
That means she enjoyed our brother's dick.
Exactly.
And I know the man try Shatawale who chair.
Exactly.
Because that dick was very sweet.
So
she can't live without.
Yes.
Okay. That means Obi addicted to something. And she was addicted to Shatawale's dick. Oh, okay.
And that's the reason why I went to me and feeling shame for the past 8 years.
That's good of her. Yes, sir. Because I did the BS over the Utramoche.
Yes, sir. But Fred there and about that see.
That's it.
And I can't swear that and I won't walk.
But what do you say? You ask no. I did no a tuple.
And anything.
I did and it's very sweet. Said Chatamichi betra catcher say Shatawale in there dentin of Trauche, because Shatawale a marry be Kotano.
Okay,
yes, because no power ye, and I don't swear that they are massa. You bow, and the Michi de no, men feel be a and then I had while I say overcast I had there come back, and then I had there. While I say also the net the engine of Shatawane is no pay. Up to now, Shatawale no be at say Woda.
Yes.
The first one who about Majesty there. That means your own was also sweet. he also enjoyed.
Well, it's very hard say only Obama betina for the past 8 years, and I say only Obama betina 8 years or if you will never miss her. No matter what it is, you will still miss the person. It's me sure say the Shatamichi Kenibia still she's craving for that thing from Shatawale.
The love is still there. Shatamichi is Shatawale no more. But there's some small misunderstanding.
Exactly. Which they can sit and solve it.
So far as there is a child in it in there, a problem there, or don't that's war. What I say? But what in the person that bad boy be or what are boy or they are or Shatamichi or they are or Shatamichi.
Michi, yeah. Big ups to you, Michi, wherever you are. We love you. You understand? Sister than ever. I say, Michi, we love you.
They got the film.
Oh, she's very sexy, sweet. You see, and lipstick.
She's endowed.
Yeah, well endowed. When it comes to glitz and glamour, they are number one. Sharp. The girl, she fine. Shatawale, Charlie, you follow Shadow and go carry her one back.
They cannot miss something. No.
You can't critical self. You go feel make the senior one, then the latest one go do side chick. You
that one be just for hype. Forget Shatawale.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to the next story, and the next story happens to be our very own Obede Sarkodie. Yes, and then the story is popping upside throughout here because the guy is really doing a good job. He's dope. Whatever he does, it actually pulls people. Like people love him very well. So this is what Nana Banamwa, our English tutor, actually said. She said,
"I know our English tutor, journalist tutor now. Just
now the youth in Ghana. She's our English teacher.
Oh, okay.
Oh, if she finds herself on a different platform or on a different show, but that particular show, definitely there's going to be a keyword on that show. So,
the dictionary.
I shock self. Such woman or your man made anyway. Or read the dictionary in NC3. All right, so let's move on. This is what Nana Banamwa actually said. I say there is no other person in Ghana, like on one kind in Ghana, po. I say Sarkodie is the greatest rapper so far. Greatest rapper so far. This word is very huge. It's very huge.
I have what I have to say, man.
So my brother, help me dive into this word, because if someone is being a greatest rapper, in fact, let's just go watch the video before we can dive into it a bit. Check you guys in the deal looking for your type. But let me try to follow the guess when I was like this. No one I realized it. She never want to know it. When they don't forget to see them, I get my phone. Let me get up in my neck. Only you when you know me, I need you by the side. I don't think I'm the greatest rapper ever. Stop, I mean, stop. You know that, right? Looking for your type, but let me try to follow the guess when I was like this. No one I realized it. She never want to know it. When they don't forget to see them, I get my phone. Let me get up in my neck. Only you when you know me, I need you by the side. I don't think I'm the greatest rapper ever. Stop, I mean, stop.
Blow. She a me a blow with the blow.
Based on what Nana Banamwa actually said on her show, you know, we can't find a year of the day. So I've wed no greatest rapper so far.
I drop it there, so I see I'm much biased. What I say? Well, there, I am the same female. What I say? I am the same. I am kind. I'm Nana Banamwa about I'm the casa because. They will catch him from Ben and say Sarkodie is the greatest rapper in the whole world. They can't also like me boy and a Sarkodie into that level or every time in Africa. What do you be? Nigeria for your family just Africa on Nigeria for Omo be a chain. A ban no man we are the chain. A bar population mudos chain. A bar skesema almost catch Ghana. But a bar rapper.
I'm say back in the days, MI near Ice Springs and no more tries on Bim. But I'm so carrying.
What I say, Sarkodie is the only export left in Ghana. I to be competing other country. It's a cocoa, go for Jacoku. It's a timber, go for that timber.
Oh yeah.
Gold and go for gold. What are they? Barapono. Be intimate. Tell me because Sarkodie is the greatest rapper. Me can't munti as you know. Like we should understand. Then to it team say ampa. The rest Sarkodie be my lyrics. Obe twisty. Obe my punchlines. What I say, like a ball or the mount, a bar rig or the mount, a bar hip lap or the mount. The guy wanted to be in a moped. What I say, Obiam, I international records about man awards. I catch us on the head best rapper. Who am I to say so on yard?
Of course.
Award the creative and best hip hop artist. He was the first artist to get that award. And he was the person, or he was the one from Ghana. Obianya be Africa Obianya, even the whole world Obianya sa one here. Sarkodie was the only artist and the first artist on a best rapper no. And then be what then Sarkodie only be ma ongeni sa gratitude. Sarkodie will be a jam music I say a statue.
Of course, of course.
And so jam music I say a statue of Ghana. Because so only way they compete on the Kwame Nkrumah. So when the Kwame Nkrumah they compete. Me that say Nana Bana one about Abekasa. I am free me what I say because Obi said Nana Bana monko 40 ni pa na a big man. It's all about Abekasa dia ne boato me.
All right, so I shall for we every obo ba the pandemic so I say Abrant say him kind money man Ojaro Sikemu Ojaro but dan pare obo ka say so who say Kwesi Ata carbona ono na de carbon into me patch for me can na me dia why the batch of good ka be me kwaka kwa me twi bi da why the move ba kusro kozata upa tamia pe bia release wabo. Wow, okay, so now you're moving on to the last story for the day. Now we call it a day. Yanka say Nyaba Belamundi of TV3. Wako PM or Tamale, Mikro. Bella ko Mikro, ko di to Africa. I don't even know. Check me, I'm not in I'm from Zam. Oh my goodness. Bella ko PM or Tamale. Now, the reception there was extremely different altogether. And they say, fancy got them. Aqua will come in. Now, share video now. So we need to catch it. Because notness, you need the way you see receive our home. I just see it. Yeah, number one. You have to video. Producer for two, my wife.
If you blow with the blow, if you blow with the blow.
Okay, so Obowa, I got a video. I mean, one can say reception na course so Tamale.
Yeah, we can make comment say northern region more.
Of course.
More reception. I say
number 1. The whole Ghana.
The whole Ghana.
Region bank.
Yeah, something mine.
When that now?
Hey.
Mami can be being chill.
Relax. When was the last time you went to
this year my corner of
relax, I got once. And relax.
And this year my corner of
the whole Ghana has something mine.
Didn't now can say.
Hey. Like me who the American who named the man.
Oh, when you who him myself. The truth is, northern region, family the reception given to you a different altogether. To the extent, say, yet me so on sacred the call Henning Chempo Chiam. That's
it didn't my kingdom. No, it didn't my kingdom near popular. It didn't my Asante Empire. No, relax. Na kingdom palace no relax. Mention. That because your reception is very, very attractive and very, very like enjoyable. Yeah,
enjoyable, but no, not in Tisia, na unni ebusiani po ha, baby I'll bet that forget to tell Ubenya baby ada.
One thing about I'm a class that Muslim people. Muslim people what I say, they love themselves than Christians. And the Omudi talkers outside na me amedi watu. Because first garam here can one say, who say amako is Pentecost for. Pentecost for who say omo nipa ba ko bibia, omo nya pushi no. Sana northern range fonso tie. Northern range fonso ekoye nipa ba ko free mu bibia. Vote say dey omo de be ma no. I don't think like I first Ghana every year was baby now Ghana for NTS no. Because Ghana no me a sakore fan, but me takra me vote masak. Me say o sakore we navy. Me vote. But another region for motor credit, no more voting. Every day I was baby now when you know, omo complain one say an America was, yeah am fancy Ghana, and Patapa was, yeah am fancy Ghana. Because Patapa no go for na vote. Medical go for na vote, but fancy Ghana go for vote man. Because they love him. Also reception say, also Belamudi ko on the IFA.
Of course.
Anka Belamudi ko en wan ko fancy Ghana man ka me yes na go be abesha no kwan.
Oh.
Yes, they love fancy Ghana. Enu county na go for besha no. Until make say, o say go for every. What I say? O don ka say go for like go for do you know, e ka say oh amodo amodo nipa no menti access because fancy Ghana na nko for na ko yeah. And fancy Ghana the way they love him no obi bad fancy Ghana mo no man ko nchen a best with the very awkward and to ko nchen mo ko sha na ga fancy bad and go bita makasi no ko sha na go
anyway na obo person debatable based on not necessarily how we receive people no but boy den crowd not necessarily we are number 1. Yeah, you better receive you fe. Ama when you receive mu kokra be sen ababium. Say you call your comment box ni mu a ahwefo na send the comment bebre aba. Me read be out action mo na once when we say you know na ejuma no. We Abuajiwa Banky. Also you guys are doing a great job. Keep it up. Big ups to you Abuajiwa baby I will be here so you don pan say o share. We so free Emmanuel Ankra. I say I love this show. Yes, you don't pass when you're that you know, but now I will share. Maybe one of these days, may invite you to a studio now. You know what, because I branch here in Mano Anchor or share show no pan. I was to me pass it through one day night. You know, Chicken Komokakra. Sansuna, Sam Kofi Semenshia. I say, great show, nice one. Yeah, big ups to you, Chairman. Maybe I will be here door. We went so free. The Rock and soon change. I say, hey, Chairman. Your pundit is very good. He's very good, very intelligent. Oh, Charlie, we free rock on was we're very intelligent. So we have a few messages in their door super by any na meet my kind because yamre na echo. I mean before me you be call before we twem. We can yemi aba if you are sure. Ko ja ne papa kwan ko pray no krabia. Na nyoma esisi wo hodom de na esu. Keke. Because the ekoba ni say say if you are bobi asum because of sika ni etutugu no nipa no say no osisa ma no say den o ehwa if you are boy na sum a on na ye easy just say brother Samuel so the minimum so ma can anybody guy so on here
so program yo so be
tama if you go to na twie na o me ba ho ya ni papa on ni na ko e omo ko ba ya so obe to nwumo so be ye den o untimi nkyere che say eye no em say brother Same say this is the pain in if you are Schwarzenegger they are untimi nkyere ba etutu foko eye ni pa big men ko e untimi prophet one
sa ma me
jaba mu nyina ko e
sa ma me no me intra life e tantro me penance
me pass on penance
the lifestyle no enye me fe what I say like me feel no nti me hardly say me make comments about it.
Okay
because me I don't love it me penance like ne lifestyle me pe nti attitude no go show you like although the sound not here obe show attitude no how can I say obi adro waba we yase no pick ska what's the big deal in itself bonaso on the one on twika na on fa car enfi so long for kwano fire enfan free baby oba na ema we yase
scan grass the tense
na scan kwa minister of fire na ore ema wa another offer or I don't know
at that particular moment on nanka boy any person or retaliate
you bab
but I'm say diamond appear not or close to her into a catching so
you bab and so the lifestyle no e ma me dear to be frank me pena me ndo no me nim no so nim ndi ehun ya kwase be pena asem on the so me motan me chol ikwana ni di ko be ma skepe you that lady she's not like what
she doesn't wet it
she doesn't work my talking why nyese say be kan wasem why is it me pena asem me be say be kan wasem
all right so if you are baby a wo bia ye ma o shedin na ye ma o ya konso nsawani de wo de bebreo mensuro oboba de wo de bebreo me am de besuma no de beba
mfa nkonya nkase bo
ye da ahwefo nyina sese mo aboa ama yetimi edi dwumedi abremo na omo boa edi ema edi dwumedi abremo Hytvgh Estate Limited o se de edan papa fie se asase na o pa to location ben na o pe open so only key to your own home and your bra Hytvgh Estate Limited you be ma on sasepa only problem litigation free the answer obeba keke you be some a big discount now so ade won no way asasira ti say na me asasira me ti me bo me kokoso na me ka tie me dan na me fie ni yes sanso na so beti ma asasira no aye fie ran so ti say de oboba yi say o 9 by 4 e wo kasoa kaswa de
oba man ko fa bu
kaswa o ba ko mahim Galilea mahim
eno so ne
Galilea mahim
menti mahim
okay ote
Galilea
top town
yara top
ba ko top town ba ko so onyan road
me see you na ti mahim
o see you ti mahim ba o staff ni de on ti mahim e de yam ase boy I can say go boy okay so weekend no so na say bia person ko dwodwo ho a eno ani Sarabo Hotel o ma share wo kaso nya no American Junction ho no ma wo de unya duru ho akola pin ni wo de kase o pe Sarabo Hotel o mo de wo beko ama akodwodwo ho o mo hotel a very affordable even enye hotel na o person okoda na bia akọ relax ho a poolside no ho o mo baby a wo be didi restaurant ho no drinks nso o bar ho no ma wo betima chile ama Felicien wa chile benze aside that so omo event center wedding na person okoyo eye party engagement honoma aside that one omo one of the neatest conference room ewo Kaswasi eno ani Sarabo Hotel bo modiana locate omo na onso kodwodwo ho ewo omahye sanso na atade ye hye mi se na me kan earlier no efiri Adams Clothing the entire papa fee person looking good or events been also just contact them ube looking fresh now looking simple no way you make sure now wako program now person na me the way so where gifts by Barbies omo share wo Cape Coast na omo dia omo ye no omo ye hampers e de ma omo ye gift bags e de ma enamfofo obi a o ye birthday o ye engagement o ye outdoor na so people or gift you be when you see them they are willing to help you on beboa ma bibie aye kama now almost services ni be balloon deco omo ye customized money box money tower and money bouquet card deco bridal room styling and surprise packages to open say only omo di nsawoso a omo number na me di tudwe 0559 05449 Oma share wo kekos wo from a onye o betime di bisa wo so me na wase minia e bia wo nche bia na say bibi e ma ahwefo a
okay me mecha obi biara o hwe ye ene obi o support ye o show we so mun keep on watching HYTV ne shows bi e beba HYTV so e dey e no papa na e bremo me so within the Eric Obuo Instagram account Mr. Obuo mun ko na mun ko follow me and share more ideas
what you say so entertainment pundit no your friend on Mr. Obuo all social media handles or call Instagram Mr. Obuo follow him to learn more about entertainment follow him to learn more about human life what you say abrante wa kwadre e wo sanyoma we nyinemu en chiaka sie e koma adwumawura kofa by owura ne yere sakode aka York family what you say obe the family papa no podi woman the microphone now obe rap yama obe preach yama owia no ama voice no obe bondum kama ama wa feel benze yes me na no it's me man o sa acknowledgement na no who say yes me man ama wa feel what you say if you all come me mama owo me ya kire o teach man me no ka say sia ma bia obia me ba me chiao enche bia me ba teach man and me mama ketwa adwa gloria yankopon asue no mama no babema ama isia ebusua no ye tumpon ye kese ebi film ni na ebi ba ebi film na ebi ba e ma no owo takuma oh of course I was saying me na e course kama iti na asi na me MC number 1 yes quick popular on all social media handles. MCI. Bye bye.